Today was day 12 of trying to pass a trade evaluation, and after officially losing my first account yesterday, we're back with a brand new account and a fresh start. I woke up around 6:10 a.m. with my trusty sidekick, my cup of coffee, ready to go to war with the charts, but apparently NQ had other plans. I checked the calendar and there were no major news today, so I went straight to the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour was looking bearish, so my plan was simple. I wasn't fading the shorts today. Disclaimer, I really wish I did. Around 6:50 a.m., NQ swept a higher high and immediately started dropping. We still had sell side liquidity around the 29,419 level, but instead of taking the short, I faded the inverse fair value gap setup, and I watched price dump 200 points without me. Absolutely heartbreaking. Price eventually swept the London low, but we still had lower draws on liquidity at the Asia low and New York PM low, so I stayed bearish. On the higher time frame, I noticed a 15-minute fair value gap between the 288 and 270 levels, so I waited for price to draw back into my zone. My first short came off an inverse fair value gap around the 221 level, and I lost about $300. Looking back, once price broke structure, I probably should have moved my stop to break even. Instead, I decided it was either going to hit my target or my stop. Well, it hit my stop. I still believed in the bearish bias, so I took another short around the 268 level, which practically stopped me out immediately, losing me another $200 on the account. Then I decided to take one last stab around the 257 level after another bullish fair value gap was inversed. The trade actually started off strong, but once again, I didn't protect the position at break even. Price came all the way back to my entry, and I finally pulled the plug, losing another $132. Final damage, down $632 on the account. Lesson of the day, I shouldn't be marrying my bias. My bias should give me a direction, but not convince me that every setup has to work. Once the market starts proving my idea wrong, I need to protect my capital and accept the information price is giving me and move on. So with a new account, it was the first red day, but we'll learn from it and we'll come back better tomorrow.